Let's be honest, every guy needs a good pair of boots. Here at Origin, all of our boots are made 100% on an American supply chain, from the leather to the eyelets, even the soles. That means when you put them on, you're wearing something that was built, not assembled. Whether you're on the job site, in the boardroom, or just running daily errands, we build a boot that actually fits the life you live. We break our offering down into 3 categories: lifestyle, crossover, and work. Every one of our boots is now offered in a Goodyear welt construction. They're built to last for years, not seasons. Starting with lifestyle. These boots are built to look good and feel incredibly comfortable. Great for every day, date night, or the office. The first boot in this lineup is our tried and true Statesman Chelsea boot. We introduced this boot last year and it's been met with tremendous fanfare. So we took the same design and profile but offered it in a lace-up. Introducing the new Coronado boot. Same lifestyle last as the Statesman Chelsea boot, but offered in a lace-up. And for those of you who want to dress it up just a little bit more, we're going to be introducing the Lincoln boot, which is the same boot, same lifestyle and profile, but now with a toe cap. Next up is our crossover offering. These boots work hard and play hard. You can dress them up for nicer occasions, or you can beat them up doing yard work. The first boot in our crossover category is the hybrid boot. This is built off the Wilton profile, which we'll talk about in a second, but we put the sidewall into Cordura fabric. That allows it to breathe more. This is perfect for spring and summer. Next up, we have the Ironside Chelsea boot. This is kind of your perfect do-it-all boot. For those of you who work in the office but may come home and go right into chores, this is the boot for you. Lastly, we have our work offering. These boots are built for comfort all day while on the job site, in the garage, or out in the yard. We have 2 styles in our work offering. We have the round toe, which is the Wilton boot, and of course, you have the tried and true Maine mock toe. Both boots have the same features. You have speed hooks, and you have pull tabs for easy on and off. They also come in steel toe options and a variety of sole options: Christy Natural, no slip, and big lug. At Origin, we don't believe in disposable products or outsourced craftsmanship. Whether it's for work, everyday life, or anything in between, we build boots that are meant to be worn hard, resold if needed, and kept for life.